day-to-day role really is split into three main parts. The first is that I'm the managing partner, so I obviously have managerial responsibilities. The second is the law itself, which is the most interesting, most challenging part of the job, and the one I enjoy the most.
There isn't really one day that's the same in the job that we do, which is one of the things that's great about it. But I mean, it starts generally coming in, checking emails, seeing what there is to do in the day. But from there, it could very quickly develop into making an urgent application on behalf of a client, going to court, meeting a new client, speaking to a judge, having a conference with a barrister to discuss the law, doing a lot of legal research, and generally advising a client, but you never quite know what's going to come out of the woodwork on the morning when you go into the office.
Well, I came to become a solicitor quite late in life. I had a big high-powered job in the city. I was earning loads of money, and I decided I'd had enough. Decided to re-qualify, became a solicitor in my late 40s, and I think it was the urge to help people which really helped me.
Really, it started from wanting to be able to represent and help people when they were at their lowest or at their most vulnerable, and the way into that was law, so that was really my inspiration for going down this route.
No, I didn't always want to do this. I wanted to either be a weather forecaster, because I love weather, or be a magician, because I'm an amateur magician, so I enjoy doing that, or wanted to go into languages more seriously, and I was thinking about doing that right up until probably just before A-levels, and that's when my aunt suggested to me that I should probably go into the law, because I like arguing and putting forward a client's case in the best possible way and in the best possible light, and the academic challenge of that struck me, and that's why I decided to go into the law instead.
I'd say to people wanting to get into the legal profession to really go ahead and go for it.
You've got to work hard. It's 3 years of a degree. You then have a year at law school and 2 years of training, so it takes as long to become a lawyer as it does to become a doctor. So it's not an easy option.
But do your research, look into it, and really get to know the law and get to understand what it involves. But absolutely go for it. It's such a rewarding profession.
The great thing about the job, the thing that keeps me going, what really inspires me, is when you see it all work, when you've got somebody and they come in and they might be in tears, they're in trouble, their business might be going under, and what you've done, your letters, your helping, has turned that all around, and so they've got their life back together again.